Hi, hello, namaskara from the second day at Munnar. And this is the situation of Munnar on day 2. Yesterday it was all cloudy and foggy. Now it's all sunny. Amazing view from the entrance of Ripple Adventure. So we're here at Ripple Adventures doing the zip line here. Shashank already went. It's time for Nama Dr. Nandan and then the criminal Kejriwal. So Ilinda will be taking the zip line and reaching that point. First time experience. Let's go. फोन आराम से It's time for me to go. Okay, पैर सीधा करो. Ready? Ready. Woo!
A few moments later.
So after the zip line, we've come to this beautiful waterfalls here. We're doing some rock climbing to go close to the waterfalls. चल चल
रोक एक मेरा भी इधर ले जाने ही नहीं दिया
नहीं जाने ही नहीं दिया ऊपर से पानी भी नहीं था वहाँ पे
इतना ज़्यादा जोर से
ऊपर से एंट्री फी भी वेस्ट था उसके लिए
उससे ज़्यादा तो मैं घर पे नहीं मिलता
This is the closest point to the waterfalls. Boys are doing some photo shoots. ಹಚ್ಬೇಕೀಗ ಅಪ್ಪಿಲ್
ಕಾಲು ಕೈಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾವ
ಬರಲಿ ಬರಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ there is no traction to go uphill.
ಓಕೆ
Okay, bye. Increased heart rate.
ಹೇಳು ಹೇಳು
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಪೀಸ್
You should definitely try.
डेफिनेटली
Definitely try. और बीच में you should not expect anything much. थोड़ा सा ये इधर ऐसे हाथ निकल आएगा फिर फिक्स हो जाएगा.
Doctor,
one
how is
good
the
experience
with the life?
you will have to definitely try this roller coaster zip line.
Mobile giving without charger. Girl, anti-competitive.
Anti-competitive. वो फोर्स कर रहे हो
The second zip line of going back to where we started.
much later.
25 to 30 seeds in this group. The seeds we have fermentation, 1 week fermentation, and after we have to wash the seeds, like properly wash it, and dry it and let it 2 days. Then roasting your seeds. So then we have to remove the shell. The shells are top seed and then we cannot use the chocolates. So because we can high water, we cannot get in digestion of that. So we have to remove the shell, then we have to get it inside of this coconut. So this nips we have to grinding in a grinder for 8 hours of time. So then we have to separate the cocoa butter and cocoa powder. Some cocoa butter and cocoa powder. Cocoa butter. Some cocoa oil. And after we make 3 varieties of chocolate, like dark, white and milk chocolate. So dark chocolate is healthy chocolate. That's an 80% cocoa, remaining sugar, normal sugar. And that's not up for milk powder. And these are all dry fruits. These are milk chocolate. Like 2 varieties, 7 varieties, fruits pulp and 6 varieties dry fruits. And mango. Water. Mango.
15 minutes later.
Now we are here at Punarjani traditional village to witness some Kerala martial arts.
videos.
130 piece of smart